Hello YouTube and fellow scale modelers. Welcome to Extreme Underground Scale Models. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Today will be the first episode of shop card shoutouts. I started with 33 and now I'm up to 78. Ever since, thanks to these 6 channels that's helped out. So we'll get to it. The first one is the host of What Did I Buy Wednesday. He was my first sub, so I figured he'd be the first one I share. And that is Joe from Big Sky Model Workshop. Thanks, Joe, for the card. And also a sticker that matches it. And the second one will be Marcus from Hot Rods Model Shop. He was the first person to give me a channel shout out. He always comments. He's got some good builds. Check him out. The next one is Jeff from Jeff's Model Garage. He also gave me a couple stickers, saying if I didn't build it, hoping for your approval, I'll build it because it meets mine. And then here's his little sticker. And he was actually the second channel that did a shout out. I checked his one video out. I thought it was pretty funny. He's got 3 ferrets: Luna, Bruce, and Cinnabons. And I think my favorite one would have to be Bruce, aka Moron. That's what Jeff calls him. He was trying to get out the whole video. He's over at the door scratching. He almost got it out a couple of times and Jeff caught him. So I thought it was pretty funny, made me laugh. Then the next one is JT from I Need My Garage Time. Looks like this is his 1-year anniversary card. I like that. I wonder how you design that. I've been trying to look for images for like models, model garages, something. I can never find this, so I wonder if you made this yourself. In the back of it, says, "Thank you for subscribing to I Need My Garage Time. Your support means the world to me. I'm thrilled to have you join our community of model enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting content and tips on your building your dream model cars." And again, it's pretty cool. It's all vintage signs. He was the third channel that shouted out for me. He's got a pretty cool garage diorama. He also supports the model community, Model Cars and Coffee on Sundays. He does the USAC builds, and he does channel shout outs. So thanks, JT. The next one is, everybody knows who this one is, sticker. Gave me a gallery discount code. I see a lot of people using these. I've always used Iwata, so I don't know much about them. But I know a lot of you YouTubers use these, so maybe one time I'll go get me one. But it is Manny's Scale Modeling. He always comments, "Thanks for the discount code again, Manny." And I know he's got some Airbrush Flames episodes. I think he's got like 3. I need to sit and watch them because there's a couple models I'd like to maybe put some flames on. So I'll have to watch them when I got more time and really take some notes. He also has the same, I don't know if you can call it a hobby desk, but a desk, a desk that I have and I'm using for my hobby. So hopefully he likes it. And the last card I got is Chris's House of Plastic. I seen he was a newer channel. He's got about 395 subs. He also got a nice little garage diorama. It looks good, Chris. I'm trying to build. I'm going to build mine here soon, but mine's going to probably be on a bigger scale. So I don't know when I'm going to start that project. But hopefully when I get to 500 subs, when I get there, I see a lot of people give out a 500 or a giveaway. So probably when I get to 500, maybe before then, I haven't decided, and I might do a giveaway myself. But thanks everybody for the shop cards, swapping them out, shout outs. So now I will share my shop card with you all. But the 4th one I'm waiting on. I haven't got it yet. But here's my sticker and my shop card. It's really nothing special. It's just kind of something I threw together just because I really ain't got nothing model wise that I can put on there. So just simple and clean. Here's my sticker. Just got my Extreme Underground Scale Models YouTube, and then my Extreme Underground for Instagram. And here comes the shop card. It's kind of like the same as the sticker. Just kind of kept it plain also. Same thing. It's got the YouTube on there and my Instagram. And then I went and got the QR codes for the corner. So just in case you can scan your TV and it'll take you right to them. Hopefully they work. But that's it. Like I said, just something nice, simple, clean. That's it for my Saturday shop card shout out. I think like I said in the last video, I'm going to do this every Saturday that I have shop cards. I thought about breaking them up so I can have one for every Saturday or a couple every Saturday, but I've had these for a week or two, so waiting on some of the other ones to send me their cards. So I figured I'd get them out now, let them know I've received them. Thanks everybody. Appreciate it again. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.